Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I posted a poll recently whether if you wanted to see my top 10 luxury brand lipsticks, and 95% of you guys voted yes. So that is what I'm going to make today. Today's video is going to be about my favorite luxury brand lipsticks that are not available in India. I'm not going to talk about the ones that are available in India. It's just a very casual, laid back kind of a video. I just wanted to share my love for lipsticks. I have accumulated so many lipsticks over the years, and there are some lipsticks that are very special to me. I'm just going to talk about their packaging, their formula, and I'm going to swatch some of them for you guys. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do like and share my videos. Also, today is the day when I have to announce the winner of my birthday giveaway, but since I'm pre-filming this video, I'll just insert a clip at the end of this video for you guys to know the winner. And yeah, just stay tuned till the end of this video to know who the winner is. So the first lipstick that I'm going to talk about today is my YSL Rouge Pure Couture lipstick in the shade Rose Stiletto. Now I do have quite a lot of lipsticks from YSL. They come in a lot of different formulas and packagings and everything, but I cannot swatch each and every one of them, so I'm going to just swatch one lipstick from each brand that I'm going to talk about today. Now this is what the lipstick looks like. It comes in a beautiful all golden metallic packaging. It has a beautiful kind of magnetic closure. It has YSL engraved in black in the front, and it is such a beautiful kind of a piece of jewelry in your collection. And this is what the shade looks like. It's a beautiful rosy pink, and the formula on YSL lipsticks is just beautiful. They are so creamy, so comfortable on the lips, and they are really long lasting as well. This is what this shade looks like. It is a beautiful rosy pink, extremely comfortable on the lips, very creamy and hydrating. It does not dry down your lips, and it lasts a really good amount of time. And this is one shade that is a universally flattering shade. It will go with just anything and everything, and it will suit each and every skin tone, undertone. Just anybody who wants to wear it, it will look absolutely beautiful on you guys. Now next up, I have my Marc Jacobs Limac lip cream in the shade J'adore. Now again, Marc Jacobs also has a wide variety of lipsticks, different formulas, different types of lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. Also their glosses are super famous, but I have used their gloss in some of my videos, so I'm not going to show you the gloss today. I wanted to talk about this beautiful lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. It is a classic black packaging with a silver button in the front which helps you to open it, and it has this beautiful magnetic closure to it. Now this is what the bullet looks like. It's a beautiful neutral toned brown shade. Now this is what it looks like. It looks matte on the lips, right? But it is so creamy, so hydrating, such a comfortable formula. It is a beautiful lip color, and again, it is a universally flattering kind of a shade. It will look beautiful with just anything and everything, and I absolutely love this shade from them. Next up, I'm going to talk about my Shu Uemura Rouge Unlimited Matte Lipstick in the shade 383. Now Shu Uemura is a beautiful Japanese brand. It's a luxury brand. It has some beautiful products. This is what the packaging looks like, and I mean, it is a stunning tube. It has that nice closure to it, and this is what the shade looks like. It's a beautiful bright hot pink kind of a shade. Now again, this also is a one swipe kind of a lipstick. I have swiped it just once, and it has given me such a beautiful pigmentation. It looks absolutely matte on the lips, but it is super creamy, very comfortable on the lips, and very long lasting as well. The shade is stunning. It's a beautiful hot pink, and it is still not very bright or in your face. It is a really beautiful muted hot pink, and it looks really stunning with just anything and everything. Next up, I'm going to talk about my Clé de Peau Beauté lipstick in the shade Desert Rose. Now Clé de Peau is a French brand, and it is a beautiful luxury brand as well. It's a super expensive brand, but their products, their packaging, everything is just phenomenal and top notch. This is what the lipstick looks like. It comes in this classic navy blue packaging. It also has a nice closure to it, and the bullet comes in this beautiful petal shaped pattern, and they are just amazing. Now this one is a more of a creamy satiny kind of a lipstick. It has that beautiful sheen to it, super comfortable, just glides on like a dream, and very balmy, very hydrating on the lips. The shade is just beautiful. It's a stunning rosy pink, and it is also a universally flattering kind of a shade. This also is a one swipe lipstick, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Next up, I'm going to talk about my Gucci satin lipstick in the shade Mild Red Rosewood. Now I do have other shades from Gucci, and this is what the packaging looks like. They come in some different formulas, and the cap is different for different formulas. This is the cap they give on satin lipsticks, and it is such a beautiful kind of a piece of art, I could say, and it has a beautiful closure to it, very satisfying kind of a magnetic closure, and the formula on these lipsticks is just beautiful. The shade on this is so nice. I would say it would go more with Indian outfits. It would look just beautiful. It's a beautiful festive brown kind of a shade. It has some red undertones to it, and the formula is just beautiful, super comfortable, super hydrating, very, very creamy, and very comfortable on the lips. Next up, I'm going to talk about my Pat McGrath Matte Trance lipstick in the shade Elson. If you follow international beauty gurus or YouTubers, you must have heard each and everyone just rave about Pat McGrath products. Pat McGrath herself is a celebrity makeup artist. She's an African American woman, and she makes beautiful, beautiful, beautiful products. All the products from her brand are just phenomenal. She is most known for her eyeshadows and her lipsticks, and all the lipsticks from her brand are just out of this world. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a classic black with a beautiful golden lip engraved in it. Bullet on this lipstick is just like velvet. It's a classic cool tone red. It's a universally flattering red. It looks completely matte, but it is such a beautiful formula. Very comfortable. You can still rub your lips together. It will not dry out your lips at all, and it will last a really, really good amount of time. Next up, I'm going to talk about my Burberry Kisses lipstick in the shade Peach Delight. Now Burberry also is a super famous brand, international makeup brand. Every Punjabi rapper or Bollywood stars, they are just crazy about this brand. This is what it looks like. It has that classic Burberry print on the tube, and it also comes with a stunning magnetic closure. This is what the lipstick looks like. It is more of a tinted lip balm, I would say, but it is so comfortable on the lips. It gives such a beautiful and very shiny look to the lips. It's a very creamy formula, very hydrating, very comfortable on the lips, and you just don't even feel it on the lips. It is that lightweight and a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful formula. Next up, I'm going to talk about my Hermes Rouge Hermes matte lipstick in the shade Rose Indienne. Now again, Hermes is a very, very, very famous international brand. It's super, super, super expensive. Anything from this brand is just high up in prices, and this is what the packaging looks like. It is such a beautiful classic packaging. It has this beautiful H sign for Hermes on the top of the bullet, and it also has a very satisfying magnetic closure to it. And now this is what the shade looks like. It is a beautiful hot pink again, and the formula, the tube on this, just look at it, looks just like velvet, and the formula on these lipsticks is just out of this world. Now again, it is a one swipe lipstick. It looks absolutely matte on the lips, but the formula is so comfortable. It's super creamy. You can still rub your lips together. It will not dry out your lips at all, and it lasts you beautifully throughout the day. Next up, I'm going to talk about my Giorgio Armani Ecstasy Shine Lipstick in the shade Silenzio 200. Now, Giorgio Armani again is a very beautiful and a very famous international brand. This is what the packaging looks like. It has a classic Giorgio Armani red tube and again a very satisfying magnetic closure. The formula on this lipstick is out of this world. It's a beautiful, again a tinted lip balm. The formula on this is amazing, super hydrating, super comfortable on the lips. It gives a beautiful shine to your lips. The shade on this one is a classic brown nude kind of a shade, and it is just a phenomenal lipstick. And the 10th lipstick that I wanted to mention in my today's top luxury brands video is my Dolce & Gabbana Dolcissimo lipstick in the shade red. Now the packaging on this is beautiful. It is a liquid lipstick and this is what it looks like. It is such a beautiful floral printed kind of component. It is a liquid lipstick and it comes with a beautiful doe foot applicator. It is a classic red lipstick and it will look just phenomenal with anything. The formula on this lipstick is such a lightweight formula, very creamy. It will dry down to be a completely matte lipstick, but it will still not suck the life out of your lips. It looks and feels beautiful. You can still rub your lips together and it is super lightweight. You do not even feel it on the lips. It is that lightweight. And these were the 10 lipsticks that I wanted to talk about in today's video, but there is one more lipstick that I wanted to mention in today's video. It is a next level crazy expensive lipstick. You do not really need it in your life, but since I am a lipstick hoarder and I'm obsessed with lipsticks, I definitely wanted to have at least one of these lipsticks in my collection. This is my Christian Louboutin lipstick. This is the packaging it comes in. It's beautiful in a very hard cardboard box. This is what the actual component looks like. It looks like their famous stiletto heels, and it comes with this nice ribbon attached to it, and this is what the tube looks like. You can open it up and this is what the lipstick looks like. A classic true blue red, amazing formula, amazing pigmentation, amazing lasting power, but for the price I would not say that it is worth it. If you are a makeup collector, makeup hoarder like I am, you can definitely try it out, but you definitely do not need it in your life. Everything about this lipstick is just beautiful and out of this world. And well, yeah guys, that is it. This is all for today's video. I wanted to share some of my most favorite expensive luxury brand lipsticks that I have in my collection with you guys, because I think I have stated this fact on my channel so many times that I am a makeup hoarder. I am a lipstick hoarder. I'm a lipstick lover. I think over the years I have accumulated so many lipsticks, and I absolutely love each and every lipstick that I have in my collection. This video today was not with the purpose of showing off my makeup collection. I asked you guys if you wanted to see my favorite luxury brand lipsticks and you guys said yes. So this is just for all of you guys who are absolute makeup lovers just like I am. If you like watching my videos, please support my channel, like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel. And again, congratulations to the winner of today's giveaway, and to all of those who did not win, please do not be disheartened. I will have another giveaway soon, and it will be a surprise giveaway. I'm not going to announce the date just yet, and all of you will have more chances to participate in my giveaways. And trust me guys, I am so grateful to have you guys at my YouTube family. I have been loving sharing my love of makeup with you guys, and thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi guys, I'm here to announce the winner of my birthday giveaway, and the winner of the giveaway is Sidrat Ul. Congratulations to the winner, and to all of you who did not win this time, guys, please do not be disheartened. I have more exciting giveaways planned on my channel, and this time it will be more than just makeup. So please stay tuned to my channel for more giveaways and more videos from me. And trust me guys, I am so grateful to have all of you in my YouTube family, and please keep supporting my channel, loving my videos, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.